Hey, have you been following what's going on with like the stock market lately?
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, it's kind of hard to miss, right? Especially with all the talk about, algo trading.
Right, exactly. That's what I was thinking about. I was reading this article about how SEBI, that's the market regulator, right? They're pushing for retail investors to get into algo trading.
Oh, okay. So, like normal people like us, not just the big companies.
Yeah, well, supposedly it's a bit more complicated than that, but essentially they want to make it so, we can use automated computer programs to trade stocks, basically.
Okay, so like a robot buying and selling for you? That sounds kind of futuristic.
Yeah, kind of, right? Well, it's already happening with the big guys, like those big trading firms. Apparently, like 70% of trading is done by algos already in India, but they want to get retail in on the act too.
Wow, 70%. That's a lot. So, what's the catch? There's got to be something, right? It can't be that simple.
Okay, so here's the deal. They are trying to regulate it so it's not like the Wild West. It seems like right now there are a lot of unregulated platforms that promise crazy returns. So SEBI wants to put some rules in place.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, if you don't know what you're doing, you could lose a lot of money, right?
Exactly. So the plan is that brokers like Zerodha or whatever, they have to register any algo or trading strategy their customers are using with the exchanges.
Okay, so that makes the broker responsible for what their customers are doing.
Well, yeah, and brokers have to make sure their users are following their registered strategies. It means the brokers have to build the tech, like the infrastructure, for folks to run their algos and make sure they are being compliant.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of work for the brokers.
Yeah, for sure. But the thing is, if you are tech savvy, you can also do it without registering every single strategy. That is, as long as you are using static IPs. So, if you can do it on your own, SEBI will let you be to a degree.
Okay, so there's like a white box and a black box for the algorithms.
Exactly. White box are like the transparent ones. You can see the logic and duplicate them. And black box, well, those are super secretive, the proprietary ones, the big institutions use.
Oh, I get it. So the black boxes will probably get more scrutiny then, right?
Yeah, for sure. And exchanges have a kill switch to stop algos that are acting funky. So they are trying to make sure the whole thing is safe and, you know, legit.
Okay, that's good, eh? So what was the deal that it's starting out for big players, then getting to us?
But yeah, it's been around for institutional investors since 2008, but like now they want to open it up for everyone while trying to make sure it's safe. It's like they're trying to let the average person use something powerful, but still have safeguards in place.
Got it. So like a controlled access kind of thing. It's not totally open, but more open than it was before.
Right. And that being said, I mean, it comes with some risks too. Like some of these algos can be used for market manipulation or they could malfunction, leading to flash crashes, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, makes sense. It all sounds like they are trying to create a balance between innovation and making sure people don't get screwed over.
Yeah, basically. I mean, they're saying they're trying to safeguard investor interest and maintain market integrity, which is cool.
Yeah, it's good that they're trying to regulate it, I guess. It makes sense though, with so many people getting into the market now, they probably need to put some stuff in place.
Exactly. It's going to be interesting to see how it all plays out, though. It's definitely going to change how things are done in the markets, that's for sure.
Yeah, I guess we'll just have to wait and see, right? Thanks for explaining all of that. It's kind of complicated.
No worries. Glad I could make sense of it. I was trying to wrap my head around it myself.